Hi guys, I'm Magician Jeki. Oh my! This is my Helix case. You can produce a deck of cards or anything you want. It's really surprising and visual and fun to perform. I think this is perfect opener and it's the best way to grab your audience's attention. Helix case is very easy to do and the gimmick does everything for you. If you can hold a deck of cards, you can perform Helix case. In the box, everything is included and all you need is just a deck of cards. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. It's so fun to perform, I know you're going to love it. If you want a fun and easy to produce a deck of cards, Helix case is perfect. I love Helix case and you will love too. So get your Helix case today. Bye bye!